Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Brow Stencil Kit is probably one of the most game-changing beauty tools you can add to your makeup collection. Tired of uneven brows and spending ages trying to get them just right? This kit promises to simplify your brow routine, offering a variety of stencils and applicators to help you achieve perfectly shaped brows in minutes. Today, we're diving deep into this kit, exploring its features, ease of use, and whether it lives up to the hype. Number 5. Aesthetica Brow Contour Kit, All-in-One Eyebrow Set. This kit is your all-in-one solution for stunning eyebrows. It includes everything you need to define, fill, and shape your brows, making it easy to achieve the look you desire. The Aesthetica Brow Contour Kit features specially curated tools designed to help you achieve those celebrity-inspired brows. It transforms your brow aspirations into reality. This comprehensive palette is the only one of its kind in the industry. It's a top seller, providing everything you need in one convenient set. Inside, you'll find 6 blendable brow powders, a highlighter, concealer, setting wax, tweezers, stencils, and a double-ended brush. It's like having your own portable brow bar. With its rich, pigmented colors and step-by-step instructions, this kit simplifies the art of perfect brows. You'll gain the confidence to shape and maintain your eyebrows. This makeup set is suitable for all skin types and tones. It's also cruelty-free, paraben-free, and gluten-free, ensuring it's gentle on your skin. What we like? This kit is your all-in-one solution for perfect brows. It includes everything you need, from powders to stencils, making it perfect for beginners. If you are looking for a comprehensive kit that simplifies brow shaping, you should consider this. What people say. This kit is very easy to use as it comes with step-by-step instructions, and as if that isn't enough, you are also provided with a QR code to watch a step-by-step tutorial on how to use the kit. These stencils are perfect. Also, the brow powders in this set are amazing. They have great pigmentation, last forever, do not smudge or smear, and are easily removed with your everyday makeup remover. Number 4. Skymore Eyebrow Ruler and Stencil Kit. Introducing the Skymore Eyebrow Ruler and Stencil Kit. This kit includes 100 disposable stencils, perfect for both professionals and beginners. It's easy to use and helps you achieve salon-quality results at home. These eyebrow stencils make it easy to recognize the position, length, and size of your eyebrows. They are perfect for accurate measurements and symmetrical marking. This will help you shape and define your eyebrows effectively. To use, align the ruler with the midpoint of your eyes and mark your eyebrows. Connect the points to create the perfect shape for your brow bone. Professionals can also use the scale for different designs. Unlike rigid templates, this ruler allows you to customize your look. It takes just 3 minutes for a quick makeup look. Lightweight and easy to carry, this disposable stencil can be discarded after use. Achieve perfectly shaped eyebrows with this kit. Draw your eyebrows in a balanced way for a more detailed and precise look. It's an ideal gift for mom, wife, or girlfriend. What we like? This product offers a quick and easy way to achieve symmetrical brows. With its disposable rulers, it's perfect for precise measurements and quick application. If you are looking for a time-saving solution for daily makeup, you should consider this. What people say. They are very practical for measuring the face. Used for measuring where to start and end my eyebrows, worked awesome and definitely helped me out. The arch spot is exactly where it should be. I have ordered different ones before and where they say the top of the arch should be is way off. They stick very well and the center piece is not too long. Number 3. $1 Billion Brows Brow Buddy Microblading Kit, Black. This kit helps you achieve symmetrical and perfectly shaped brows. It's ideal for tweezing, threading, and waxing, making your beauty routine easier. Every detail of this product is engineered to simplify your beauty ritual. It's designed to make your routine more efficient and enjoyable. The kit is built with high-quality materials to support daily or professional use. You can rely on it for consistent results. It's compact enough for travel and strong enough for studio work. You can easily take it with you wherever you go. This product is designed for ease without sacrificing precision or results. It's perfect for beginners looking to enhance their brows. This product is vegan and cruelty-free, so you can trust its safety and ethical standards. It's beauty you can feel good about. What we like? This kit is designed for ease and precision, making it ideal for achieving perfectly shaped brows. It's built with high-quality materials for daily or professional use. If you like a simple, ethical, and effective solution, you should consider this. What people say. This eyebrow measuring tool works exactly as described. It makes it so much easier to measure and shape brows evenly, which can be really tricky to do by hand. The measurements are accurate, and the device is lightweight but sturdy. Really does. OT help getting your brows even if you have no brows to begin with. Where has this been all my life? Makes doing my eyebrows quicker and even. Number 2. Mented Cosmetics Brow Pencil, Brush, and Spoolie. This all-in-one tool makes achieving flawless brows easy. Designed for precision, it helps create well-defined, natural brows that enhance your face. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals. The innovative twist-up pencil features a high-precision tip and a spoolie brush. The fine tip allows for accurate shaping and filling, while the spoolie blends for a natural finish. No extra tools are needed. Enjoy brows that stay perfect all day long. The waterproof and smudge-resistant formula provides rich pigment for a polished look that lasts over 10 hours. It's ideal for any occasion. This brow pencil is made without harsh ingredients and is vegan and cruelty-free. It's safe for sensitive skin and ethically crafted, so you can create stunning brows guilt-free. Available in 4 versatile shades, it blends seamlessly for a natural look. Find your perfect shade to achieve beautifully full and authentic brows every time. What we like. This brow pencil is designed for precision and convenience, offering a long-lasting, waterproof formula. It's perfect for busy days and nights out. If you are looking for a reliable and ethical brow solution, you should consider this. What people say. Awesome and easy to use. The brush is perfect, gets my eyebrows in order then the liner fills them. Absolutely recommend. It's easy to use and it looks great. I have very thin brows. This stays put till I remove, color match as well. Number 1. LAVONE Brow Stamp Kit, Brunette. This LAVONE kit instantly defines and fills in your brows. It helps you create flawless, symmetrical brows in just 1 minute. The long-lasting formula is smudge-proof and waterproof, ensuring your brows stay perfect all day. Shape and define your brows with the ultra-skinny brow pencil. Its precise tip coats even the finest hairs for a natural look. You can easily create the look of natural brow hairs with this retractable pencil. The waterproof liquid eyeliner has an ultra-precise tip that is flexible and easy to use. Every stroke is fluid for a defined finish. You can control the thickness of your lines to achieve your desired look. The highly pigmented formula keeps your brows in place all day without smudging. It's waterproof and smudge-proof, making it ideal for any activity or weather condition. The LAVONE Makeup Eyebrow Kit includes everything you need. You'll get eyebrow powder, a brow pencil, liquid eyeliner, a dual-ended brush, and a convenient zipper pouch for on-the-go touch-ups. What we like. This kit provides an instant solution for defining and filling in your brows. It includes an ultra-slim pencil and eyeliner for a complete look. If you like a kit that offers everything for a quick and flawless brow, you should consider this. What people say. Easy application. Color is perfect. The pomade is great. It works so well and is easy to apply, and for me the fact that it comes in 2 different shades of gray is fabulous. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.